Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Debbie Vanessa, and today I'm gonna do something a little bit exciting and a little bit different. I'm gonna be unboxing the DJI Osmo Mobile 2. I'm really excited about this item. My husband purchased it for me for Valentine's Day, and he pre-ordered it from the Apple Store about 3 weeks ago. So it finally came in and I wanted to do an unboxing on camera. If you're not familiar with what this is a gimbal, and it helps stabilize the camera on your phone, and it's specifically for mobile devices. This is great for people that like to vlog, for people that like to film stories on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, YouTube, and it helps keep the footage real seamless and real smooth. So let's get into the unboxing. So this is the case that it came in. It's like a hard foam. It's really cool, I think. And this is what the DJI Osmo Mobile 2 looks like. It has like a pretty nice weight to it, and it has these little buttons right over here. On the front of the device is one joystick and two buttons. The joystick pans the device, and this shoots video or takes pictures, and this is what turns the device on and off. And it has a charging port for the device. It charges it up to 17 hours. And back here it has a USB port, and this can charge your phone since it has 17-hour battery life. And on this side it has a up and down button. This is what's gonna zoom in and out your camera on your phone, and all of this works in conjunction with the app that you have to download on your phone to use this, and it works via Bluetooth. On the bottom here you'll see that it has a standard tripod mount, which is really cool. So it feels pretty nice. It has a little bit of weight to it. It feels like it's made out of plastic on the outside, and the cool thing is here it's spring loaded so that you can easily place your phone and film. So this seems like a really good device. I'm really excited to use it. I will be filming a review and show you what the footage looks like, and I'm gonna compare some footage without using a gimbal so you can kind of see the comparison. And I hope you enjoyed this video. This is my first tech video that I've ever filmed, and I'm pretty excited, and I hope you all enjoyed it. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below so you never miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time.